Intermittent connectivity, where the network connection is inconsistent, can be caused by various issues like high latency jitter or port flapping. Latency is network delay, and jitter is variable latency. Port flapping is when a switch port rapidly opens and closes. On wired networks, slow speeds or intermittent connectivity often indicate a load issue. Solutions include adding a switch, replacing hubs with switches, creating VLANs, or upgrading old infrastructure. Other issues could be bad cables, faulty switch ports, or speed or duplex mismatches between devices. Voice over IP key quality can be improved by prioritizing it in quality of service settings. Port flapping can be addressed by checking cables, connection speed mismatches, error logs, and reseating, or replacing FFP connectors. Wireless networks can also get overloaded. Limit the number of client computers per wireless access point or router, and consider distance and external interference when experiencing issues. Solutions include moving closer, installing more access points, or adding a directional antenna to the wireless access point.